Hi friends, Assalamualaikum. How are you all? I hope so that my all friends viewers are fine and good. God bless you. Keep smiling and always be happy in your life. First of all, we are thanking to you for watching our all the previous videos. So guys, I hope so that you will love all the content. So today you can see our class in beautiful woman short feather haircut. These are so classy, so unique and so fabulous. I hope you will love this collection. You can cut your own hair with using these ideas. So friends, for those ladies searching amazing and unique hair cutting ideas and they want latest updates, so this is the best option for them. The short feather haircut is the best option. So here are some short feather haircut ideas for women that can be add volume, texture and movement to your hair. The first one is a feathered bob, a chic bob with feathered and create soft layer around the face, adding a playful and modern twist to a classic cut. This style works well for both straight and wavy hair. Next is a feather pixie. A short pixie with feather layer can add softness and texture to your look. It prefer for women with fine hair who want to create the illusion of volume and movements. Now the next is a shaggy feather cut. For a more edgy style option for a shaggy feather cut, this cut combines choppy layer with feather ends to create a rock inspired vibes. Next one is feather loop. A loop with feather layer can add dimension and lightness to your hair, giving it a fresh and trendy look. The feather texture is particularly flattering or medium to the thin layer. So guys, next is a curly feather cut. If you have a natural curly hair, a feather cut can enhance your curl's natural bounce. The layer will help shape the curl, creating a fuller, voluminous appearance. Next is a feathered side swept layer. A short haircut with feather side swept layer is perfect for those who want a more elegant yet relaxed look. The layer frame the face beautifully, enhancing the cheekbone and jawline. Next is a texture feature cut with bang. Add a fun twist to your short feather haircut by incorporating wispy bang. This gives the style a youthful and carefree vibes. The last one is feather undercut. For a bold look, combine a short feather style with the undercut. The feather top create movement while the undercut add contrast and depth. So guys, these feather style work well for various face shape and hair type, making them versatile and fashionable choice. I hope so that you will love all this collection. If you love these ideas, you can download this video and take the screenshot which hairstyle you love. And if you want more and more hairstyling and hair cutting ideas, so like my video and keep subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. After subscribing my channel, you will receive new and latest updates related to hairstyling and hair cutting ideas. So guys, be connected with me and remember me in your precious prayers. Take care guys. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.